Welcome to Math World. Today's topic, ratio. In our daily life, we come across a number of situations where we compare two quantities of the same type. For example, cost of a pen is rupees 10 and cost of a pencil is rupees 2. We can compare their prices in two ways. That is, by taking the difference or by division. First, let us compare their prices by taking the difference. Cost of a pen minus cost of a pencil is equal to rupees 10 minus rupees 2, which is equal to rupees 8. So we can say that the cost of the pen is rupees 8 more than the cost of the pencil. Now let us compare their costs by division. That is, cost of a pen by cost of a pencil is equal to 10 divided by 2. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, we get 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, cost of a pen by cost of a pencil is 5 by 1. Here, the cost of the pen is 5 times the cost of the pencil. This type of comparison, where we compare two quantities by division, is called as a ratio. So, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. Here, the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a pencil is equal to 5:1. Note: a ratio can be written as a fraction. For example, the ratio 2:3 is written as 2 by 3. Ratios are mostly written in the simplest form. For example, the ratio 10:2 is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 1. And the ratio form of 5 by 1 is 5:1. Therefore, 5:1 is the simplest form of the ratio 10:2. Properties of ratio. A ratio has no unit. It is a number. For example, the ratio of 2 km to 3 km is 2:3. Since ratio has no unit, we omit the unit kilometer while writing the ratio of 2 km to 3 km. The two quantities of a ratio should be of the same unit. For example, the ratio of 4 km to 400 meter. Here, the first quantity is in kilometer and the second quantity is in meter. So, we convert 4 km to meter, and we know that 1 km is 1000 meter. So, 4 km is 4000 meter. Therefore, the ratio of 4000 meter to 400 meter is 4000:400, which is equal to 4000 divided by 400. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by 400, we get 4000 divided by 400 is 10. 400 divided by 400 is 1. So 10 divided by 1 is 10:1. So the ratio of 4 km to 400 meter is 10:1. And 10:1 is the simplest form of the ratio 4000:400. Each number of the ratio is called a term. For example, in the ratio 3:2, 3 is the first term and 2 is the second term. 3 is called the antecedent and 2 is called the consequent. Order of the terms in a ratio cannot be reversed. In the given picture, you can see one big fish and 5 small fishes. Here, the ratio of number of small fish to the number of big fish is 5:1, whereas the ratio of number of big fish to the number of small fish is 1:5. Here, the ratio 5:1 and 1:5 are not the same, because 5:1 is the ratio of number of small fish to the number of big fish, and 1:5 is the ratio of number of big fish to the number of small fish. So here the ratio 5:1 cannot be written as 1:5, and the ratio 1:5 cannot be written as 5:1.